Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports. As always, thanks for being here. As always, the support is much appreciated. Trust me, man. You guys don't even know what it means. The support for a long time, for over a year now. I've been doing this just over a year, and trust me, man. We appreciate the support big time. Gentle reminder, you guys know the drill, knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel, both free and easy ways to support the channel. I want to get into, a little bit of Reggae Girlz. I was about to say it's Reggae Girl season now, but it's always Reggae Girl season, isn't it? We always have time for the Reggae Girls, we always have love for the Reggae Girl scene. Two things I want to touch on. I want to touch on, the group that was named yesterday. And also I want to touch on quickly the thoughts of the gaffer, right? Tough group. Tough group. I watched the draw live last night. And trust me, man, my heart did kind of sink when I see the group, because when I see the lady take up the ball and she open it out, and I see Jamaica, man, and I see we were, because first it was obviously the US was in that group, and then Mexico was selected as well. So we knew whoever from that particular pot was chosen next was going to be in the group with the US and Mexico. I said, dear Lord, please. Now put we in the group, in the same group with the first and the third best team in CONCACAF, especially given the fact that the third best team in CONCACAF is playing, in front of their home, support in their own country, right? So it was a tough draw. It was a tough pill to swallow. I'm not going to sit here and act like, we were happy with the draw. Many of us would have been disappointed with the draw. For sure, it's a tough group, man. And it's gonna require a lot of grit, a lot of determination, a lot of fight. Quality alone won't get us out of this group and get us to the World Cup, right? It's gonna take a lot of other things to come together to make this happen. But what I do want to say, though, is that as tough as a challenge it is to be placed in the same group with the USA, Mexico, and a tough little Haiti team, as much of a challenge as it is, I honestly believe that the girls can and will get it done. Big and serious, guys. I honestly, genuinely believe that the girls can and will get it done. See, one, the quality is there. The quality is there for this team to get to the World Cup. This is a team that can stack up against a Mexico on any given day. This is a team that can stack up against a Haiti on any given day. Two tough teams, yes, we know, but this is a team that is capable of beating Mexico, is capable of beating Haiti, and is capable on their day of getting a positive result against the United States of America. And I say that without no apology. This is a team capable of getting a result against the United States of America, right? You know what, this group will, it obviously will let the girls know exactly where they stand in world football, right? We believe in this group, and we see the names on paper, and we see the respective levels and the respective leagues that these and the respective clubs that these players are turning out for, right? But as a unit, this group will tell us exactly where the Reggae Girl will give us some idea, so to speak. I shouldn't say tell us exactly, but it will give us more of an idea as to where the Reggae Girl stand in world football and how we stack up against some of the top teams in the world. Because let's face it, man, USA is obviously the biggest team in the world. Mexico is one of the top teams as well, right? Haiti ain't a bad team either. They're a quality little team, Haiti, a devilish little team, Haiti. See? So I think that is a positive. right? You know, when them say the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. I think this battle will be hot, and when the Reggae Girlz emerge from it and qualify for the World Cup, they will do so high on confidence, knowing that they have emerged from a top difficult group against difficult teams. As you guys know by now, more than likely, the top two will qualify from the group scene automatically to the next World Cup, and also the third place playoff will go into an intercontinental playoffs, right? So I back the Reggae Girlz to finish top two. You know, one of the reasons why I also believe that as well, not only the confidence in the talent and the abilities of the respective players, but just the vibe and the energy around this camp. You know, the positivity emanating from the girls, the selflessness. When you see the girls play, they can tell that this is not about individual, this is not about self, right? You can see the fighting spirit in the girls as well, right? This is a team that believes that they're a top quality team, and this is a team that wants to do well for the country and wants to put Jamaican women's football on the map. You can see it in how they move, you can see it in how they operate, right? The selflessness and just the desire, right, to really and truly do well for the collective and not just individual. You know, it's just positivity and positive vibes emanating from this Reggae Girlz camp, and just the vibe and the energy is just real. It's just next level. It's just different. The unity in the camp, everybody on one page, right? Nobody now bud up the thing. Nobody now feel like say, oh, me a big baller XYZ. Nobody XY, you know, nobody can talk to me. You know, get them vibes there from this Reggae Girlz squad, man. Honestly, I will say this much though. JFF, if uno not get the build up look, well, we're gonna get into it now. But even my cricket was saying on a interview that I was listening on audio on Sports DTM, big up Sports DTM, where they were saying, where my cricket was saying that the girls have asked for certain things, and we will do our best to ensure that they get these things. Apparently, sponsorship is still an issue. The girls have not secured, apparently, from what my cricket was saying on the audio, you guys can go listen to it. Apparently, the girls have not secured the necessary sponsorship to take care of business. Now, I don't know who is that more of an indictment on. I don't know if that is more of an indictment on corporate Jamaica or the JFF. All I know is it is the JFF's duty and the JFF's responsibility to source the necessary funding, and also to give the Reggae Girlz the support that they need. When this is the mentality, you know, when my cricket said that, you know, we're doing our best to give the girls everything that they have asked for. Is it a case that, you know, that you know, was quoted from the Reggae Girlz in terms of, did the JFF sit down and ask the girls, you know, what do you want? Or is it a case where the girls had to go to the JFF and say, yo, we not have everything that we need, you know? We don't know, but I sincerely hope that the JFF would have sat down. It would have been that the fact that the JFF sat down and asked the girls not what they want, you know, what they need. And the language is off from the president as well when he talk about ask the girls what they want, you know. It's not what they want, it's what they need. The language speaks to the subconscious thinking, you know, and the subconscious reasoning where it take place in the mind, you know, people. It's not Mr. Ricketts, Prezi, is not what the girls want. It is what they need to qualify for the next upcoming World Cup and to represent the nation proudly on the international stage. So I sincerely hope that the JFF lives up to these things and get the girls the respective practice games as well. This is very important, JFF. The ball is in your court as of this moment right now. You guys have to live up. You guys have to rise up to the occasion right now. JFF, please do not fail these Reggae Girlz. It is of vital importance that you guys stand up and be counted right now. Big and serious. Let's get into the article though. We're gonna, sharing this article with you guys, in the Jamaica Gleaner, and the headline reads, Coach gears up for group of death. Jamaica lands toughest path to 2023 World Cup. Right? Jamaica will have the hardest part to qualify for the 2023 World Cup. All right, we know all of that already. Let's scroll down a little bit more. The magnitude of the challenge was not lost on Blaine, who said that being able to get more time with his team would be critical to their chances. And that goes without saying. And this is Vin Blaine being quoted now, as far as the group is concerned, we can probably look at it as a group of death, but our minds has to go away from that. We have to prepare properly. I still think we have a chance. I think we have the team and the players that can do it, and I agree. Once we put our heads to it, and the training sessions and the camps to allow us to be together for a while. You hear that, JFF? Right? You hear that? And the training sessions and the camps to allow us to be together for a while. Right? Blaine, who took over in December. All right, that part then are important. Oh, Blaine, no, it is. Blaine, who took over in December, said there are plans in the works to guarantee more time with his team. And I hope those plans come to fruition. According to the coach, he is optimistic about getting that time since the camps would have been necessary regardless of their opponents. Organizational stage is the heading of this particular part of the article, and Vin Blaine is being quoted again. We have never had more than 3 or 4 training sessions before. That is interesting and not surprising either. Now we want camps that we can have training sessions and games. We are in talks with the Jamaica Football Federation. It is in the organizational stage, but I think it's going to happen from what I've been told and conversations that I have been having so far, Blaine said. Right? And that's about it as it pertains to the important part of the article. What I will say is that I have seen, when watching the Reggae Girlz play, I can see what Vin Blaine is attempting to do. You can see it, right? You see it on the pitch with the way how the girls play. If he had such little time in preparation with these girls, 3 or 4 training sessions, right? And you can watch how the girls play. You can see the patterns of play. You can see the patterns of movement, right? You can see the roles and the functions. You can see the style of play, right? You can see, exactly the tactics, exactly what Vin Blaine is trying to do. You can see the system basically. If he has had such little time with these girls, and you can see on the pitch, what Vin Blaine is trying to do, even against the lesser teams, and even like a damn rep, for instance, you could see, right? Imagine if he gets quality time to spend with these girls, what these girls will be able to do. But guys, that's my 2 cents. Again, the TheFormulaSports backs the Reggae Girlz to, finish in the top 2 and get out of this difficult group. I wouldn't even be surprised if these girls top the group. Mega talk it, all as that. I would not be surprised if these Reggae Girlz top this group, right? Big, bad, and brave. Yeah, we don't push no badness on the Formula Sports, but you guys know what I mean. You know, it's just a cultural talk, you know. But yeah, man, you know, we back the Reggae Girlz and we wish the Reggae Girlz all the best, right? And again, the girls will pull it off, man. To be honest with you, my heart sink when we did see the group, but when I really and truly think about it, I say, you know what? I really and truly believe that regardless of how tough the group is, the girls can pull it off. So, guys, that's my 2 cents. You know, take care, stay safe. The JFF, you guys need to, the ball is in your court right now. Hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel as well. Free and easy ways to support. Take care, guys. Until next time.